What's up guys, Biker Dave here. If you're installing your underglow lighting on your Denago electric golf cart, a couple little tips for you. Now this is if you're using the OEM setup. This connector should be already found near your battery, and that's what you'll patch into. The red goes to L and the black goes to M. This is the pigtail that will come with your factory LED lighting strips. So you'll patch into that and just run it down, and it'll go down through, see that hole right there? It'll go down through that hole, and when it comes out, I mean, you can do it really any way you want. There's no right or wrong way, but it comes out through there. And then I start using some zip ties, every few inches to make sure that it's secure. And then before you install the lights, make sure you take a clean cloth of brake cleaner or contact cleaner and wipe off the surface of this railing that goes all the way down that you're going to attach your lights to. Make sure it's clean and dry. And you can get contact cleaner at pretty much any auto parts store or Walmart or whatever, and it's just real helpful for the adhesive on the back side of the light strip to stick properly. Even so, I still do some zip tying every few inches. You see one there, about every 14, 18 inches, whatever, after you install them. And you may have to curl the zip tie over beforehand. Just curl it. That way it will be easier to go up over that rail, and then you can reach it, and zip it in place. Now don't zip too tightly. I've noticed that if you zip these too tightly, the lights don't work properly. So just make it just snug, but not, don't clamp down on it extremely tight. It's just going to keep it, secured a little bit better. And then the right side lighting will come down, and notice what I do. It goes over that way, and there's a hole in the center. See that right through there? You can zip tie through that, then go over that swing arm, and then just repeat the process on the other side. Just make sure everything is clean. Make sure your hands are clean also when you're going to do the job, because if you start touching the adhesive, it will not stick worth a flip. And I've got other videos on doing the upper lighting. It's pretty straightforward. It's not very difficult. This is the XL6 model, the Rover XL6. And it has its own little connector here that you will patch into with the lighting that you purchase. And then I come across and do a zip tie there, and then start going clockwise around the cart. Same thing, take your clean cloth with brake cleaner on it and clean all this off before you do the installation. Now there's nothing you can zip tie with, nothing you can attach anything to, so that's a kind of a fail as far as that goes. I mean, you could try to do it in other ways, but you'd have to, skip around certain areas if you want. I mean, there's really no right or wrong way to install the lights as far as how you do it, honestly, but that's how we've been doing it, and it seems to work out well. Customer loves it. Looks awesome. It comes with its own little remote control, that you can affect the lighting, how it looks, what it does, how it flashes, what color it is. Pretty cool. And it works in conjunction with your OEM screen LED. So this for the sound bar, go to car body, and that's where your lighting controls are for the ceiling and the underbody lighting control, just on and off. That's all there is to it. We got tons of videos about these carts, so check out the playlist link you'll see come up at the end of this video. And yeah, if you live in Atlanta, Georgia on the north side and you're looking for a Denago dealer, that's us. We're about a half hour north of Atlanta, 2 miles east of I-575 on Highway 92, in between Woodstock and Roswell. So come see us. Playlist link at the end, and look for social media links in the description. You'll have a great day.